Thank you for joining me today on this simple demo on DataSense Reporting. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a little walkthrough on how the PII summary report works. So what you're looking at here is the dataset index screen. As you know, the DataSense is structured with a dataset and an index relationship, and underneath each index is your machines that you will be scanning. In this particular example, we have 3 indexes under the New York dataset. We can think of these as environments where you have Long Island, Manhattan, and Albany. Under each environment, you have the number of servers that you're scanning, the number of databases, and if a Polar has started scanning that specific index. Now, in looking at the PII summary report, it's important to understand this concept or this structure of DataSense so that we can take a real close, efficient view as to what it has found under what index. Let's take a look. So if you go onto the report dashboard, you're going to see the PII summary report on the top right. If you click on that, you're going to see a summary of everything broken down by index, and underneath each index you'll have a machine. So for this example, what we've seen here is we have 2 servers under each individual index. You have the Long Island servers and then the Manhattan servers. What we're looking at is at all environments. So if I wanted to look solely at the Atlanta environment, then it would fetch all the indexes for the Atlanta environment. If I wanted to solely look at the New York environment, I can fetch all the servers for the New York environment. If you look at each machine row, you're going to see what types of PII have been found. In this specific case, we have found credit cards under the Alex PC test share, Social Security, and passports. What that means is that we've found instances of this type of PII in different files for this machine. If you want to take a closer look as to the individual files where it has been found, you would have to go and drill down to the machine level. And you do that by clicking on the actual server. So as I said, what we have here is a top level view of what has been found. And the more machines you add to your environments, you're going to have different rows and a total of things that have been found. Very simple report to use, and very simple report to have a top-down view so that you can be aware of what type of PII is in your network. This concludes this demo. Thank you for joining me. Next, we'll talk about the asset inventory report. Hope to see you then.